Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's been too quiet lately in the Discord. Much too quiet. Also, this is the last live stream of the week. Alright, last live stream of the week. Market opens in 3 minutes. Good morning. Enjoy Washington. Yes. In the east side of the mountains? Nice. Nice. Yeah, hopefully it's good time out there. I'm only there till Sunday. So I get there Thursday or tomorrow midday, come back Sunday morning. So I'm there literally pretty much just Friday, Saturday. But some big fair value gaps above us. From pretty much 800 up to 880, there is fair value gaps. Not really interested in trading today. So if you are trading SPS, make sure, well, do whatever you want, but I would be on Sim today, personally. I could be wrong, it could end up being the best day ever. It's just FOMC later tends not to be the best action. But sometimes SPS thrives in rangy, choppier conditions. So do with that what you will. Of course. So market opened, we tapped right into this gap, already dropped a bit from it. Let me check the news again today real quick. Yeah, just FOMC later. Quiet in here though. It's been quiet in the Discord lately. Not a lot of people chatting in the Discord. I don't know if I need to change something or release a new software so that people get excited and try it out again. Because most people give up on stuff after 3 months. But yeah, maybe we'll do that. We're eligible for SBS trades now. But remember, I'm not a huge fan of trading FOMC day, so, but you guys may do whatever you'd like. I would be on sim myself. I think Botfolio is in some Bitcoin longs right now as well. We can check on Botfolio in a little bit. Or I mean, I can check it on my iPad. Do that. All right, so Botfolio right now is in 1 Bitcoin long. Bitcoin futures, of course. And then it's in 1 MES long from 56.80. And right now, price is moving up. It's at 56.90. We'll keep that open maybe for the morning. We can just keep peeking at it. Anyone else trading today? Or are you guys gonna sleep and just listen to the live? I think most of the people that join the live stream just listen. They don't ever chat. So same with the SBS users, you know. A lot of the people that are in the group I've never seen talk or rarely talk. Sim and listen. Nice. All right, we are in our first trade, 48 range, long trade. Should be able to see that on the screen still. The entry and the take profit and stop loss. So just by my face, getting close to that first target already though. Up 13 points currently. FOMC morning is usually we get a little something in the first 15 to 30 minutes, and then it's just sideways the rest of the day until FOMC. So not really expecting too much this morning. But yeah. We're in on the 1 minute chart as well. Gary, hey Joe, picked up, say hi. Administrator, can you show me the settings? It's all default, Gary. I literally just loaded up what I bought, and that's it. It's all defaulted. So I think it's probably the same with NinjaTrader. It's literally all the default settings. I haven't changed a single thing. All zero? Here, I mean, I can see here. Hold on. I'll show it, and then you'll have to give me just a second here. I'll show it, and then just pause the video, and then you can look at it in a second. Okay. So there's two say hi's here. The first one, these are the settings. Again, you can slow it down. All right, there. Style. Okay, and then the next one, right here. Again, you can slow it down. Boom. That should be should work, and you should just be able to slow that down. So. No problem, Gary. No problem. But yeah, we're in the 1 minute and 48. We got close to stopping there. But we didn't. Not yet. We're still alive. Yeah, that's how the default came up, the trading view. It's because you have one for lower time frames and they have one for higher time frames. So like one would be, this is just a paper trade, so don't worry about that. One would be these red gaps and the red overlapping gaps. So it'd be brighter red, but brighter pink. The other ones are gonna be lower time frame, and they're gonna be the blue ones. Wow, we only got 7 people watching. I've fallen off. It's official. How's the swing going? What swing? What am I forgetting here? What swing? Stopped on the 32. Again, reminder, I am personally doing sim. Looks like we did reject these for value gaps up here though. They started at 798 though. So if you shorted like right when they entered the gap, wouldn't have been the best. If you waited for the higher time frame, lower time frame combo, so you know you waited to the blue, that would have worked out pretty good though. This paper trade, I just took a 5-minute orb, starting to practice because that's what people were saying for the 100k challenge to use. It's a 5-minute orb. In these low time frame gaps here, again, technically that doesn't meet criteria for a potential trade. I did a test this morning of 5-minute orb. Starting January 2nd, completed 3K February 21st, so took a month and 2 weeks, month and a half, 40% win rate. It was 5-minute mixed with some 15-minute, like if the 5-minute lost, sometimes I'd take the 15. I accidentally took some trades out of session, I think. So like total wasn't, I mean, it's not the best. Orb isn't like the best strategy, I don't think, but risking 250 per trade. So risking 250 per trade would have hit pass in a month and a half. And then drawdown went from 1.7k down to 500, so that's 1.2k drawdown. Well, total drawdown 1500. So it would have been close to blowing an account, to be honest with you. Would have been close. You only do small caps on FOMC days with tight stops. Oh, deleted message, okay. Um, what was that? What was that? You guys see that? That's why we don't do FOMC day, guys. Also looks like it bugged out because of that random volume spike there. So it filled us. Yeah, it just gave us terrible, 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 terrible fill. Don't trade FOMC day. There you go. It's just gonna manipulate today. Just gonna manipulate. Mason, I'll do short quick scalps. Snagging PPAs. I see that, yeah, same message. I was confused there. Yeah, grab some yeah, get some PAs during FOMC. Sometimes FOMC isn't the best to do that with, just because it's so whippy and choppy. But hey, still works. I mean, you only need a few points if you go max contracts or something, right? So. Yeah, Botfolio is in some winning trades right now, but that's about it. That's all that's going on. Full contracts, yeah. I'm probably not going to stay on too long. We'll probably leave it like 10 today because it's boring action and we're not actually going to trade. Plus, there's only like 8 of you in here, so most people aren't even trading, I guess, today. Market is pushing to the upside. Alright guys, we're gonna end it early. Maybe we'll do an FOMC live stream later. Maybe not. Last live stream of the week for me. Enjoy your day. Don't blow accounts. And I'll see everybody either later today or next week. See ya.